Hi dear children, welcome you all to the chemistry class. In this lesson, you came across through different hydrocarbons and we studied their nomenclature. Last day, we discussed about some of the important functional groups present in organic compounds and their nomenclature. Hope you remember those rules. Today, we are going to learn one of the most important part in the lesson. Watch the video carefully. Let's start today's class. Examine the compounds given here. Did you see any similarities in these two compounds? Analyze their molecular formula and functional groups. Did you get it? Yes, you are right. These two compounds have the same molecular formula and the same functional group, right? But is there any difference between them? You can see that the position number of the carbon atoms to which the OH group is attached is different, can't you? So these compounds have the same molecular formula, but the position of the functional group is different. Therefore, the IUPAC name of these compounds will be also different, right? The IUPAC name of the first compound is propan-1-ol and that of second one is propan-2-ol. What can we understand from this? There are certain compounds which are different even though they have the same molecular formula. Such compounds are known as isomers, and the phenomenon is called isomerism. So let us learn what are isomers. Isomers are compounds having the same molecular formula but different chemical and physical properties. The phenomenon is called isomerism. Understood? If we analyze these compounds, you can see that the structural formulae of both compounds are different. Now shall we examine some other examples with different structures? Examine the two compounds given here. Can you write the molecular formulae and the IUPAC names of these compounds? The molecular formula of the first compound is C4H10 and its IUPAC name is butane. The molecular formula of the second compound is C4H10 and its IUPAC name is 2-methylpropane. Didn't you see a difference in their IUPAC names? What about their structure? Here you can see that these compounds have the same molecular formula even though they possess different IUPAC names with different chain structures. Such compounds are generally known as chain isomers. So let us see what are chain isomers. The compounds with the same molecular formula but possess a difference in the chain structure are called chain isomers. Now shall we learn how to write the possible chain isomers of a hydrocarbon? Consider the hydrocarbon pentane with the molecular formula C5H12. Let's write all the possible chain isomers of this compound. See, in this compound there are 5 carbon and 12 hydrogen atoms. In order to write an isomer, first we have to move one methyl group from this compound and place it like this. Now we get a compound 2-methylbutane and the molecular formula is C5H12. If we again move one methyl group and we place it like this, we will get another structure with the same molecular formula C5H12. What is the IUPAC name of this compound? Yes, it is 2,2-dimethylpropane. Got it? Now, let's write all the possible isomers of the given hydrocarbon. What is the molecular formula? It is C6H14. The first possible isomer of this compound will be with 5 carbon atoms in the main chain and with 1 methyl branch in the second carbon atom. The IUPAC name of this compound is 2-methyl pentane. The next possible isomer of this compound will be with 5 carbon atoms in the main chain and a methyl branch in the third carbon atom. See, the position of the methyl branch is shifted to third carbon. The IUPAC name of the compound is 3-methyl pentane. Students, can we write any other possible isomer for this compound? Yes, we can write a chain isomer with 4 carbon atoms in the main chain and with 2 methyl branches on the second and third carbon atom. So what will be the IUPAC name of this compound? It is 2,3-dimethyl-butane. Now did you understand what are chain isomers and how to write the chain isomers? The compounds with same molecular formula but possess a difference in the chain structure are called chain isomers. Always remember, the type of isomerism possible in alkane is chain isomerism. In the next video, we will learn about other types of isomerism.